Hey everybody, good evening. This is Justin Ford. I'm a Platinum 5000 with iMarkets Live, and I'm with Team Take Profits and also Rich Girls Trade, Rich Guys Trade too. We wanted to do this training tonight, guys, just to go over with you. If you're not using Swipetrades right now, we want to show you how to get Swipetrades up and going. If you've been in iMarkets Live more than a week and you're not using this amazing platform that we have called Swipetrades, then it's very important that you guys download this app if you don't have it downloaded already and start using this app. Guys, Swipetrades is on fire right now. Swipetrades did over 500 pips last week alone. And I'm telling you guys, this is money if you're not using this product that you're leaving on the table. Being a Platinum 5000, I have about 225 people in my team. And what I find is that when, having a bigger team here with the company, I realize that although, we can direct you to the first 72 hours of getting started, we can take you here to IML Train Academy, we can tell you where things are. But some people just learn better, by having their hand held, right? They just learn better by seeing things in action. And so, what we really want to do tonight, guys, is just, take you in action on how to really get Swipetrades downloaded on your phone. If you don't have a demo set up yet, help you set up your demo so that you guys can start using this product tonight, literally tonight. So there is going to be a little bit of hands-on that I'm going to need you to do, meaning if you don't have a demo account set up, you're going to set one up tonight. If you don't have Swipetrades on your phone, you're going to download it tonight. And I'm saying tonight because we're here in Michigan. I'm in Detroit, so it's 5 o'clock here, so it's getting towards the night. I know we've got people probably from all over the world and even, somewhere here on the East Coast and the West Coast. So wherever you are today, we want you to be able to have Swipetrades downloaded on your phone so that you guys can start using this amazing product. I also have a gentleman that I'm hoping is going to be able to come on the line just to share his testimony with you guys of just joining the company just a couple weeks ago. And, he's got some experience in investing and things like that. And he literally took, Swipetrades. I think he jumped in on Wednesday. He put real money in. No, he's been in with us about a month, but he put real money into his brokerage account this past Wednesday. And by Friday, he had already made a couple $100. Now, for all of you guys, you should be IBO or not IBOs, but customers within the company. But I'll still say the disclaimer that, past profits don't guarantee future gains. And so we're going to talk about results tonight, but we're also going to, tell you guys to, use proper risk management, understand what you're doing before you guys put real money into a brokerage account. And that's why we also talk about how important it is to use the demo account first, right? When I came in the company back in February, my coach, my mentor, Lawrence Young, Chairman 25 in the company, he kept me accountable and had me on my demo account for 5 weeks, and every time I was making money on my demo account and got really excited and wanted to put real money in, these were his exact words. He said, "Slow down, grasshopper." I don't know how many times I was called grasshopper in that first 5 weeks, but it was quite a few times. But I'm thankful for that because what he did was he allowed me to gain experience by using the demo account, using Swipetrades, getting familiar with how to put in a trade, things like that. Because I'm telling you guys, it's a lot better to make mistakes and learn with fake money than it is to make mistakes and learn with real money. So I want you guys to be encouraged today, whether you're brand new in the company or you've been around a little bit longer. It's the first thing you have to do is just get started, right? So that's what tonight is all about. This meeting was initially supposed to be for my team, but then I was asked to share it, with other people because, we're at 67 people on the meeting tonight. Obviously, there's other people that need this getting started. So the goal tonight is I want every single person on this call tonight to download the Swipetrade app, to download MetaTrader 4, and to set up your demo account tonight. And so we want you to do that so that you can start taking trades this week. if you're an IBO or you're looking to build this business, there's no better way to build this business than with results. I've heard it said like this: actions speak louder than words, but results speak louder than actions. And so the greatest way to share iMarkets Live with people is to show them results. I've personally sponsored about 85 people into iMarkets Live, and the main thing that I've been able to do is show results. When you can show results and you can show that the results come from products like Swipetrades, which it doesn't take experience, it doesn't take, investing, background, it doesn't take really anything. I mean, my 16-year-old knows how to put in a swipe trade. I've heard 10-year-olds knowing how to copy and paste on a phone. I mean, it's really that easy. It's really just taking the step. I know I have people on my team too that I've talked to that are just afraid to take that first step. I'm not really sure why, but some people, they hesitate. So, at the end of the day, that's okay. And that's what today is for. So really, guys, within this next 55 minutes, because I'll end it, right around 6 p.m. Eastern, the main thing that I want you to do is take the first step, guys. Yes, you might be going through the academy. Yes, you might be going through iMarkets Live. Let me see here. Okay, good. I'm just making sure, or not iMarkets Live, but IML TV. Those are all great products. But guys, I'm telling you, Swipetrades is when you hear in iMarkets Live, learn and earn, this is that earn while you learn product, right? We also have the other products such as the harmonic scanner and also the mirror trader, the fusion trader, and the FX signals. But this right here, guys, this is the product that you should be using. So let's go ahead and get started, okay? When I bring a new person into my team, this is the very first thing that I have them do is I have them go to IML Train Academy. If you haven't, IML Train, which is IML Train Academy. If you haven't gone to this page, guys, I want you to, matter of fact, what I'll do is I'll send it to you guys in the chat, but I want you guys to write this down because this site right here is really what you need to get started. It's got everything that you need right on it, right? It's got the really what you need to do for the first 72 hours. I don't know who's writing on the screen, and I don't know why Zoom allows this, and I don't even know if there's a way to turn it off, but I'm going to clear that out. I would ask you guys not to draw on the screen because everybody can see it. I don't even know why they allow that. But we're going to walk through IML Train real quick. It's real simple, guys. See where it says start here? You start here, you click on product training, and once you go into product training, you literally have right here the first 72 hours, okay? iMarkets Live has created this first 72 hours so that you can walk through a step-by-step process of getting started. And then for those of you that are building the business and also or looking to build the business, they've made it to where it's duplicatable, right? It's duplicatable. Anybody can send their people to imltrain.com and tell them to watch these modules, module 1, module 2, module 3, all the way down to module 9. So because I said this is a hands-on training, I want you to pull out your cell phones right now, okay? If you have a cell phone, okay, with you right now and you're going to pull it out, then I want you to type in the chat 1, the number 1, okay? If you have your cell phone and you're going to pull it out and you're going to follow my direction on this, because again, guys, I don't want you on this training just to leave and not get started. The purpose of this training is to get started, okay? The purpose of what we're doing right now is so that you can take Swipetrades this week and begin to experience how amazing this product is, okay? I see 10 people, 11, 12. Come on, I got 81 people on this training right now. If you're going to pull out your cell phone and follow me right now, I need you to just type the number 1 in the chat. All right, we're up to 17. Come on, I need to see more numbers than that. All right, we're 20 plus. Let's go. I want to make sure you guys are with me. I don't want to just do this training for no reason. I want to do this training to help you guys really get rocking with this product. This product is amazing. Last week, guys, over 500 pips. Come on, I'm over 30. I want to at least get to 60, guys. Come on. There's probably 20 of you guys that don't probably know how to put 1 in the chat. I'll give you guys that. But I want to at least get to 60 people so I know you guys are serious. I'm at 33. Okay, I'm up to 34. I'm going to keep waiting, but I'm going to keep talking. So I just want to give you guys an example of what 500 pips looks like, okay? If last week on Swipetrades, you guys just followed every single trade. If you took every single trade, right? We're up to 42, guys. I need 18 more. Let's go. 45, 15 more, and I know you guys are with me, okay? You know, if you guys would have took every single trade last week at 500 pips, if you guys just had, I'm just going to use an example, $1 lot size, okay? $1 lot size, that means that you would have made $500, okay? I'm at 50. I need 10 more people to put the number 1 in the chat so I know that you're with me, okay? 8 more people, 7 more people. We're almost there, guys. Somebody's drawing on my screen. I don't know why someone's drawing on the screen. All right, 54. All right, let's go. 5 more, guys. I'm at 55. 5 more people, then I know you guys are with me. All right, we're at 56. Just type 1 in the chat so I know you're with me and that you're going to follow along. I need 3 more people. I'm at 57, okay? I see most of you guys, okay? I see some of you guys putting in multiple ones. That's funny. All right, we are at, let's see what we're at. We just hit 60, so thank you guys. I know you're with me. I know somebody out there probably pressed 1 10 times just to get to 60. That's okay, though. So, guys, again, I'm just using 500. It was over 500, but 500 pips at $1 lot size is $500, right? If you had $2 pip lot size, right, which just means 0.20, guys, that's $1,000, okay? This platform, I mean, you could, even if you went 50, you know, a 50-cent lot size or a 0.05 lot size, guys, that's making money on your money. That's the point, you know, of signing up for iMarkets Live. And this platform and this product right here called Swipetrades, I believe, is the easiest way to make money with the company. And here's the great thing about it is, you know, iMarkets Live works on a regular basis, you know, looking for traders who get results. We don't want to just put any trader on Swipetrades and have you lose. We want to have people on Swipetrades that get results. And if you guys have been watching the new traders, I think one of them's Wealthy Pips. There's a couple others that are on there. Justin Adams, who is like the main guy. I mean, these guys are crushing it. And I'm excited for another amazing week trading, guys. When you can take your money and you can multiply your money, that makes you an investor. That makes you, you know, something, you know, a part of something that's really special. And that's obviously why we're a part of iMarkets Live. So real quick, guys, so you got your phones out. What I want you to do is go into your app store. I want you to go on your app store, and I want you to download, if you haven't already, I want you to download these 2 apps. I want you to download Swipetrades, and I want you to download MetaTrader 4. And if you can't get to it on your phone, you can actually go to imltrain.com. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe it's right in here that you can actually click on the link to download the app. Okay, maybe it's not in. Let me see your download right here. Download MetaTrader 4. Okay, here it is. Download MetaTrader 4. Okay, Apple, iPhone, MacBook, Windows, or Android. I recommend you put it on your phone. I mean, you can definitely put it. You can put it on your phone and your computer. But if you're like me, I'm never at my computer. I mean, I am, but I'm always on my phone. Okay, and so I want you to do that right now. And when you're done, I want you to just type in the chat done, okay? Or if you've already got it on your phone or your computer, I want you to type done. I love interaction, guys, so I need your interaction back. I need to know you guys are with me. Again, I'm not doing this training for nothing. I'm doing this because I want to make sure that you guys are taking steps forward and that you guys are, you know, getting this product set up, because we want you guys to be successful. We want you guys to get results. And we want you guys to use the products because that's what you guys are paying for. So I'm at 22 people who have said done. I just want to see that number keep going up. There's no rush here, guys. I'm not in a hurry. We're not in a race here. I want to make sure that you guys are able to get this product set up and going. Okay. I'm at 26 right now. I've seen 4 hands go up, so that means I'm at 30. I want to see this go up again to about 60, guys. and there's no rush. Download the app, MetaTrader 4, right? You can go right onto your app store and you can type in MetaTrader 4 and it'll pop up. Do not download MetaTrader 5. Make sure that you download MetaTrader 4, okay? And as you can see in IML Train, it is under Module 2 and it'll take you right to downloading the app. Once you've downloaded MetaTrader 4, I want you guys to download Swipetrades, okay? Swipetrades is the app that we use in iMarkets Live to get trade signals by the company, okay? And I'm going to go right to that because I believe that's in here as well. I mean, I know it is, but I want to show you guys. So Swipetrades. All right, I'm at 35, guys. I need 25 more people to type done once you've actually completed it. Don't type done if you don't have it, okay? And you want to download Swipetrades to your cell phone or your tablet, okay? Okay, I'm at 40 people. I need 20 more people to make sure that you download this app, Swipetrades and MetaTrader 4, okay? Again, there's no rush here, guys. I want to make sure that you guys get this done. I'm at 41 people. Because I don't, after this meeting tonight, guys, I don't want any more excuses, you know, of why you're not making money with IML, because you'll have this platform and this product set up, and the only way you can't make money is if you don't copy paste, okay? What are we at now? We're at 42 people. I need 18 more people to type done. Once you've got it done, okay, again, no rush. No rush. Make sure you guys got it downloaded. MetaTrader 4 and Swipetrades. Because once we've got it downloaded, we're actually going to walk through it together. We're going to walk through it together. Okay? And then we're also going to open up a demo account tonight. If you do not have a demo account, before we get off this call, you will have a demo account set up. It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. And again, guys, I know some of this stuff, there's a lot of training, there's a lot of product. So I understand, you know, sometimes it can be a little bit overwhelming, but that's why we're doing this tonight, because we want to make this as easy and as simple as possible for you to walk through it and be able to get things set up. I don't know what happened there, but I'm going to make sure everybody's muted, okay? So go ahead and type in done. I'm up to 46. I need 14 more people minimum to make sure. I want to make sure that you guys have downloaded the Swipetrades and also the MetaTrader 4 app. Okay. Okay. All right, what am I up to? I am up to 49 people. I need 11 more people to make sure you type done in the chat once you have downloaded Swipetrades and MetaTrader 4, or if you already have it on your phone and you've already downloaded it. Okay, I'm up to 52 people. Okay. Awesome. Good stuff, guys. And I don't know about you, but this is actually my style of learning. I love learning with, you know, with other people and doing things hands-on. It just sometimes it just gets done better that way. And so hands-on to me sometimes is better. So I'm glad that we could share this time together. I need looks like 5 more people. I'm waiting on 5 more people to make sure that you either have Swipetrades or both Swipetrades and MetaTrader downloaded to your phone before we take the next step. Okay, 5 more people. So yep. Thank you, Marty. This is the best way to learn. Yep. Yep. 5 more people, guys. If you are still working through it, I'm going to give it, it's 5:20. I'm going to give it 2 more minutes, and then we're going to move on to the next thing. While we're waiting 2 more minutes, guys, the next thing that I want you to do, and if you're at your computer, I want you to do this, but if you're on your phone, I'm sure you can too. I want you to go to LMFX, okay? LMFX.com. You might already have a demo account set up. You might already have a broker that you've chose, but I'm just going to use this one tonight for a demo. You can choose whoever you want to set up your live account. I use LMFX as one of my demo accounts. I use Trader's Way still. I use JAFX. I use 3 different brokers because one account I have a lot of money in. One of them is a demo, and one of them is I got started with. So you don't have to have more than one. You can only have one. It's totally up to you. That's just the way I choose. 4 more people, guys. I need 4 more people. I just got another one in. Just type done when you have your app for MetaTrader and your app for Swipetrades downloaded. But we're going to simply do LMFX tonight, guys, because they're a good broker, and it's one of the brokers that are on our list. And so we're just going to simply use them. So if you don't have a demo account, we can do this tonight. And then again, you can, research whoever you want, when you set up your live account and choose whoever you want. All right, so we just hit 2 minutes. And so we're going to move on. And so for whoever still needs to download those apps, go ahead. And you can still click done, or type in done when you're there. All right, so if you're at lmfx.com, and again, guys, this will also be recorded. So you can go back to the recording. So let's say you're on your phone right now and you don't have access to set this up, then you'll be able to go back. But we're going to do this right now, okay? We're going to do this right now. And the reason why we're going to do it right now is so it gets done. We don't want to just say, oh, well, I'll do it later, because sometimes later doesn't come, right? You got the kids that are getting ready to go back to school tomorrow, or if wherever you are in the world, maybe you're barbecuing in a little bit, or whatever you got going on. So it's good to take action right now. Speed of implementation, right? So I want you guys to click on Open Demo Account. Okay? Open Demo Account. Now, when you get to Open Demo Account, you're going to see Open Live Account, Open Demo Account. We don't want to open a live account yet. We want to open up a demo account. So we're going to click on Open Account, okay? Now, you're going to fill out your information here. This is where you're going to fill out your information. Go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to give you guys, on this page right now, if you have this up right now, it should only take you, I would say, 4 minutes to type this in. Now, I'll walk through it with you guys, okay? Should take a lot faster than 4 minutes. I got a birthday coming up, guys. I was born on Halloween. So I'm going to type my birthday in here. I'll be 35. Who is messing with the screen? Somebody saying hi. Hey. I'm going to clear it out. Yep. Open a demo account on LMFX. Thanks, David. I don't feel old yet, but I know I'm getting there. So let's see my birthday, the day 31, October 1982. All right, currency. All right. Does anybody know how to solve the security question 5 plus 2? Just kidding. Pretty simple. Thank you. I think it's Delia. It's either Delia, Dyla. Either way, I'm sorry. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Time's flying, but I'm having fun, so that's a good thing about it. There's got to be a way you can turn it off to where people cannot write on the main screen. I do not get that. Don't. Let me see the settings on here. Weird. All right, I'm going to hit register now. So did you see how easy that was to set up a demo account, guys? Register for LMFX Connect. Your application has been received. Please open your email to basically take the next step. So I'm going to do that with you guys right now. If this is helping you guys out at all, or if this, if doing this together is helping you, and you guys like this, just raise your hand for me or give me a 1 in the chat. I just want to make sure that this is beneficial for you guys. So you can raise your hand or you can put a 1 in the chat. Awesome. I just want to make sure that this is helping you guys out for sure, because that's really what this is all about. I really want to help you guys because I know that this platform is one of the most amazing platforms that I've ever seen. And I've been in networking. I've been in business. I own 4 companies here in Detroit. I've been in business on my own since I was 20 years old, 21 years old. And I'll be honest, I've really never seen a platform like iMarkets Live. So you guys are in the right place at the right time. And this is a very powerful platform that can do absolutely amazing things in your life, if you're committed. I tell people the only way you can fail with iMarkets Live is never doing anything. If you take action, you will be successful, okay? So let's go ahead and go into the email here. Now it's going to say, welcome to LMFX. Your application has been successfully received. Activate your LMFX Connect client profile. So we're going to go to click Activate Account. Okay. So now they're going to send you your login and password, okay? So get to this point right now where you are at the stage of your login and password, okay? And if I'm moving too fast, just write in the chat, slow down, okay? And I will slow down. But it should be very easy, or it should have been very easy to get to this point right here, because all you had to do was just open your email and activate it, okay? Now, I'm not going to use this demo account. I'm just doing it to show you guys. Great. Okay. All right, Tim. Tim says, I already have demo accounts and other brokers. Perfect. Thank you, Jamie, for the birthday wish. I appreciate that. Is it, again, I think it's, I don't want to blow your name. Is it Delia? I'm just going to call you Delia. That sounds nice. Delia, you said when I did that, they asked me for the proof of the address. Yeah, it's okay, Tim. Absolutely. Delia, when you did that, are you sure you did a demo account? And if so, who is the broker? Yep, you're welcome, Tim. Who is the broker that you used, Delia? Was it LMFX or was it another one? Because they usually shouldn't ask you for your they shouldn't usually ask you, I don't think, for your address for a demo account. They ask in the email. Let me see. Let's see. To activate your profile. I don't see it. So I'm let me see here. 1 second. Okay. Is this the one that you guys saw right here? Was your activate your account? But even if they ask you for your address, it's okay. You can put it in. Let me just go back and see if there was another email. Oh, this is the only one. And you guys did do it through a demo? I just don't remember them asking for an address unless you were doing a live account. Okay. Either one, guys, that's fine. Let me just, let's go in here real quick. Let's go to log in. And again, guys, if they did, it's not a big deal. Let me just see if this paste. I love copying and pasting. It just makes things so much easier. You should not have to send an ID, guys, if I don't think, I mean, again, it's been a long time since I opened up my demo account. Okay. But I don't remember having to do for my demo account an address or to send in my you know, my ID. Okay. Maybe you guys had to do that. But I know that they usually require it when you deposit. Okay. So now what we want to do, guys, is you want to be able to get your, let me just get it right here. Hold on a second. So when you go here and you're in here, see where it says demo accounts? You want to try the demo. Okay. And when you set up your demo account, I always say, I mean, they only give you from 5 to 100. Don't start a demo when you do, you know, don't do 100,000, don't do 50. I mean, if the lowest they'll go is 5, do 5. Some of the other brokers let you go a little bit lower. But I always say try to make it as realistic as possible, because if you're not going to put $100,000 into a live account, then don't start a demo with 100,000. So if 5,000 is the lowest, obviously you might not put 5,000 in there, but you can still do it. Okay, so watch this. Okay, I'm going to hit submit. Now, this is the information that you're going to put into your MetaTrader 4 demo account. Okay, here's your user ID. Here's your trader's password. Here's your investor's password, your phone password, your leverage. This is what you're going to put into your demo account. Okay, and again, I'm not going to use this. I'm going to close this demo account when we're done. I'm just doing this for the purpose of showing you guys how easy it is. And so right now I want to take the time for you guys to get to this point so that you can put this information into your MetaTrader 4 app right now, okay? So I'm going to wait a couple minutes. I'm going to throw a little tunes on, and I'll be back in 5 minutes. Feel free to shoot some questions over, okay?
Balanced by the pound, surely never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings is a no. Let me tell you how it goes. Curves the word, spins the verb.
All right, I just had someone ask me a quick question, and they said, "How did I get to that page? It made me register for a live account too." Well, what you had to do, guys, was you had to click on. Thank you, David. I love this music. It's called Kygo. And David, I'm going to have you come on in just a few minutes because I want you to give your testimony. But if you guys got to this page, and I'm backing it up, okay? This is where you came right here, okay? If you did LMFX demo account, this is where you got to, okay? When you get to this page, you need to click on Manage Accounts. And when you click on Manage Accounts, some of you guys may have went to open trading account. That's not what you're supposed to do, okay? You're supposed to click on try demo. Because when you go to try demo, it brings you to this page right here. which is open demo account. And when you open a demo account, you hit submit. It then brings you to your user ID and your password. This is why I was saying, if they asked you for your address and your ID, you probably were trying to open up your live account. When you open up a demo account, they don't typically ask for that. Okay? I love it. It's my boy Manny. He said we have the same playlist rocking. I love it. All right, so he says, which option on MetaTrader do we choose? Start without registration, open a personal demo account, or log into an existing account? Great question, buddy. What you're going to do is you're going to log into an existing account, okay? You're going to log in to an existing account. I'm going to see if I can switch it over, guys, so you can see my phone screen. I might be able to do this. Hold on. Let's see here. I'm going to try this 1 second. Let me see if I can give myself the reins. 1 second. Oh, I got another me in here somewhere. Yep. What was in here? 1 second, guys. Okay, maybe I popped in. 1 second. If anybody else has questions, put them through. Which password do we use to log into MT4? Well, when you open up your account, you're going to use Trader's password. Okay? Trader's password. She said, I didn't get to that page after I opened the email. Let me go back to the email, okay? Once you click activate, there's 2 emails that you'll get, guys, okay? The first one is LMFX registration. And once you get to that one, you're going to click activate your LMFX account, okay? Right here it says activate account. You click on activate, and then it's going to send you a second email where it says welcome to LMFX. And then once you get to LMFX, it's going to tell you right here that this is your username and your password. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on LMFX MT4 platform, okay? Or you can go right to LMFX and type in your login in, like you're going to get this email when you click click activate, it's going to bring you here, and then you're going to use this login and password to go right onto the app and open up an existing account. If you've gotten to this point, guys, where you've opened your broker account, I want you to say done. If you've got to the point where you've opened your broker demo account where I'm at, you either already have a demo account or you just did one, I want you to type done. Okay, I want to make sure that we've got to this point, guys. I just want you to type done, okay? And if you're having issues, please send a chat so that I know. I don't want to move past this. If you're stuck or if you're trying to get to this point, I want you to let me know, okay? Because the next step after this one is to actually, get this set up on your actual MT4 on your phone, okay? And again, I told you guys from the get-go, there's no hurry. Okay, even if we have to go a little past 6 p.m. Eastern to make sure you guys got this, I'm committed, okay? I just want to make sure that you guys got this, okay? I've only saw a few dones. I haven't seen a lot of them, maybe 10. But I've got 75 people still on this training. I need to know if you guys are there. If you're not done, then I'm gonna still give it some time here, okay? So I'm gonna give it, right now it's 5:40, okay? I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes for you to get to this spot, and I wanna see you put done in the chat when you're done. And if not, shoot a question over. If you need help, let me know, okay? Okay, you got it, Leah, no worries.
Loving it cause so freak what you heard. Rolling with the fatness, you never quite know what that happens. You got to pay to play, just for shorty bang bang to look your way. I like the way you work it, top notch, trump tight every day. You're blowing my mind, baby, in time. Maybe I can get you in my ride. I like the way you work it, no diggity. Bag it up now. I like the way you work it, no diggity. About to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. About to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. About to bag it up. I like the way you work it. 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 Bag it up now. I like the way you work it. 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 Bag it up now. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Damn, that girl looks good. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Play on, play on. Bag it up now. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Damn, that girl looks good. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hungry.
Sorry, guys. I had it on mute. Duh, I'm talking that whole time. Jeez. So, sorry about that. Thank you, Leon. So, all right, good. So, Damon said, I'm stuck after the 2 LMFX emails. Should I start over? What are you stuck on, Damon? Are you not able to activate your account and get to this page right here where it says to open a demo account? Okay. And then also, while you're answering that, I got Manny. Manny said login invalid messages here too. Where are you getting the login invalid messages? Are you getting them logging into MetaTrader 4 on your phone, or are you getting them trying to log into your demo account here on the computer? And then Pilar, you're saying having problems logging in, keep getting a login failed message. Is that on the computer or is it on MetaTrader 4 app? On my phone. Okay. Manny, are you logging? Okay, mine worked okay now. Good. Manny, are you still stuck? Okay, on the app. Okay. Manny, what you're going to do, I'm just trying to, let me see if I can do it. Hold on. Give me a second, guys. I'm going to see if I can actually let you guys see my my phone. I'm on twice. Let me see if I can find myself on here. 1 second. Hold on. Let's see. Where am I? There I am. Let's see. All right. Now, let me see if I can show you guys my phone. Let me see. Hold up. Okay. Let's see. All right. So that's my son in the background. So now that we're on the phone together, what you should see right here, guys, is this little plus sign. Okay. Right next to it is the password delete account button, but you click plus sign. What you do is you go to log into an existing account. Okay? Now I'm on the Android app. If you guys got Apple, it may be a little bit different. But what you do is you look for your broker. Okay? And there you have it. LMFX demo and LMFX live. Okay? You got it, Manny? Sweet. Awesome. So since we're at this already, I'm going to click on demo. Now, I'm going to have to go retrieve my login and password here. These things want to be funny on my phone. There we go. Okay. There's the copy button. There we go. Hold up. These are beats. I'm just going to type it in. F, whatever that sign is. 5, let me see here. 5. So guys, now I just opened my demo. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? Hold on, just log me out. Should always wait to speak, right? I think that was a capital Z. That's why. Try it again. Maybe I'm putting something in wrong, guys. Hold on. All right. Duh, I'm not even putting in the right stuff. Jeez, oh Pete's. What a goof. I'm not even, I was putting in the wrong one, guys. Sorry. Appreciate you guys helping. I see you guys typing in the stuff. So let me try this again. All right, so somebody said, let's see here. All right, it says, how do you get to this? Rose, do you have an Android? Thank you, Curran, even though it was the wrong one. All right, I'm going to show you guys again. Here it is, plus sign up at the top corner. Log into an existing account. Click it. Find a broker. Just type in LMFX. Boom, it pops right up. There it is. LMFX demo, LMFX live. You got that, Axel? Axel, let me know if you got it, buddy. No, it's not listed. Did you go into, let me go back. Are you at this page right here, Axel? Yes, we're in the MetaTrader 4 app. This is MetaTrader. Okay, yes. Click on, don't click on open a personal demo account. You have to click on log into an existing account.
Can I have my Rice Krispie?
Sure. Okay, you did that. Now, if you're right here at this page, are you at this page right here, Axel? It lists 100 other brokers. Did you download MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5? Are you on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5? Okay, well, I got MT4 too. Are you on an Apple or are you on an Android? That's strange, because if you're looking at my app on my phone right now and it says there's 4,341. Okay. Okay. Oh, you've been using it through JFX. That's cool. Again, you can use it for JFX. I'm just showing those who have never set up a demo that you can type in LMFX and there it is. You click demo. I'm just going to log in and show you guys real quick. Okay, user ID. Password. Okay. There it is. We're in. Okay, you guys see the 5,000 show up? And now I can go down here on the bottom where you see the different symbols on the bottom. I'm going to click the one on the left, which brings up the currency pairs. As you guys can see, the market is open now. Then in the next tab over, which you see the three candlesticks, shows you what's going on in the market. Okay. Your phone might not look like that. That's how I have mine set up. Then the next one over actually shows the amount of money that should be in your demo account. The next one over will show your balance and your profits, things like that. The next one over will actually show you guys news when it comes out. And the next one over will actually be like a like just a chat option or whatever. And so if you are at this point where you've got your demo account open, you're at the point where you could actually do a trade right now, I want you to say done. If you're at this point, I want you to say done. And again, I don't want to go too fast on you guys, but I just want to make sure that we're all on the same page. Because after today, guys, it's all about making that money. Okay? Time to take them swipe trades. Okay? Keep getting done. If you guys aren't there yet, just let me know. I sure can, Curtis. I'm going to show you guys in just a moment. And if you guys are still stuck, I'm waiting, okay? I'm not moving beyond the person that's not there, okay? And so I will wait for the person who is sitting in the background afraid to speak up because you're lost, okay? Well, that's why we're here, is to help you, okay? Yes, the MT4 app, what you should see is this right here. You should have your app set up. Okay, you should be ready. Good. I see everybody. Yep. This is MT4, guys. This is I walked you through getting all the way to the point where you guys have your demo account set up. Okay? Because after today, guys, I want every single person taking swipe trades when they come out. If there's anybody that still needs help to get to this point, please let me know. And I will, if I have to go back to the beginning and show you, I will. I want to make sure you know what's going on. And until I see someone speak up and let me know, I'm going to move on to the next thing. But if you do chime up, and don't be afraid to, I will stop, okay? Let me show you guys how to add absolutely, Curtis. Let me show you guys how to add the next currency pairs, because these ones are the ones that pop up, guys, because these are the primary currency pairs with the US dollar, okay? You see the euro US dollar, you see the gold. XAU stands for gold. Hold on, Damon says, when I log in, I see a login. I didn't put it in, and it says authorization failed. Well, that's what was happening to me, Damon, and what I was doing is I was putting in the wrong code. Make sure, let me see if I can go back. Make sure you're putting in this code right here, the user ID and the trader's password, okay? See where it says, welcome to LMFX, thank you. You have just opened a new demo trading account with the following details. You want to use your user ID and your trader's password, okay? Try those user ID and passwords, Damon. If you got that email, use the user ID you got and your trader's password, okay? I'm just going to bounce back real quick. So again, guys, Euro, US dollar, XAU stands for gold, okay? XAU, US dollar, GPB, Great British Pound, US dollar, Audi, US dollar, USD, Swiss franc, and USD, Japanese yen. Now, this is how you guys add more pairs, okay? You click on this little plus sign. You go into Forex majors. You got the US Canadian dollar. You want to add that, okay? So I just clicked it. Now you've got the Forex minors. Your Forex minors are all the other different pairs here, okay? Now, I would not go in and add all these, right? Very rarely, I mean, I've never seen a euro versus the Polish zloty, okay, be traded. Never seen anything with the Norwegian kroner traded. Doesn't mean they can't be traded, but if you guys see a pair that gets called out with your Swipetrades, then you know to come in here and add it. Now, I would add the Audi Canadian, boom. I would add the Audi Swiss franc, boom. I would add the Audi Japanese yen, boom. I would add the, and Kurt, speak up if there's any pairs you think that we should also add. I would add the Euro Audi, the Euro Canadian, okay? I would add the Euro JPY, which is the Japanese yen. I would add the Great British Pound versus the Audi, the Great British Pound versus the Canadian dollar, the Great British Pound. Okay, can I slow down? Yes, I can. And again, I'm going to have this part recorded. You guys don't have to go in and add all these right now. I'm just giving you guys some examples, but you can definitely go back and watch this. Even if you don't add any of these tonight, you can go in and add these when a swipe trade gets called and you don't see it. And so I apologize. I wasn't trying to go too fast. But the Euro Swiss franc, that's a good one. NZD USD, yep, that's a really good one. Okay. And I don't know if there's anybody else on here that has any favorites that they like. Add all the pairs from the major nations. Leave the lesser nations. Curtis, can you expound on what the major nations are? Just so people know. Because somebody could be from a very small nation and think it's major because they're from there. So I just want to make sure we're all on the same page. Okay, he said Audi, USD, keep it coming. All right, Euro, keep it coming. The CAD, which is the Canadian, let's go, keep it coming. All right, GPB, Great British Pound. NZD, Swiss franc. How about the Japanese yen? Let's go. I love seeing the interaction. The yen, baby. Yep. So you guys can see all of these. You can add them all if you want, but again, I would add all the major ones like they're talking about because you're not going to see like the Romanian lei, the Polish zloty, the Singapore dollar. I've never seen that one before. The South African rand. But they're here. That's all of them. Thank you, Curtis. Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you, Ali. Thank you, David. Thank you, Marty. I appreciate everybody chiming in on that. Okay. So now we're going to go to the Swipetrade app, okay? If you've got your Swipetrade app, then you're going to click on the Swipetrade app. Now, I want to stop right here and acknowledge Jason Brown and Matt Rosa, our new chairman 250s, guys. First ever in the history of iMarkets Live. These young guys are the hardest working people in the company. These guys just hit Chairman 250, guys, which is $250,000 a month. And these dudes are under 30. Give it up for Jason and Matt. Let's go. Woo! So, guys, this is Swipetrades, and they do send out like alerts and updates and congratulations stuff here. And so at the bottom, you guys can see that it says accept and decline, okay? And so it's going to say the same thing if it's a swipe trade. And so we're going to go ahead and hit accept. And as you can see, guys, in here, sometimes there's just notes, right? They got to put a symbol in a time frame in order for the for the information to be sent out. My phone's about to die, so let me just have my son grab it. Hey, Judah, can you go upstairs and please grab my cell phone charger behind my little dresser behind my bed, next to my bed? No, I need it now, buddy, please. My little 4-year-old says maybe in a minute. Please, buddy, I need it. He said he's got to clean up his mess. Okay, I'll let you clean up your mess after you get my cell phone charger. Thank you, buddy. And so up here in the left-hand corner, do you guys see that little, yeah, I need to get it myself. You guys see the little back button there where it says trade information? You can press that back button, and then once you swipe right or swipe left, I don't know if some of you guys use Tinder. I don't. I've been married for 12 years, so I don't, but I hear a lot of people use the app. So you can swipe right or you can swipe left. So I'm going to swipe right, okay? And then I'm going to hit the back button again, and then it's going to go to the previous alert. And so this is why it's so important for you guys to be using this platform, because last week, Swipetrades had its biggest week in the history of iMarkets Live, 534 total pips. And if you guys don't really understand what that means, just think of dollar signs, okay? Just think of dollar signs. I love it, Kurt. Matt the Testarossa. Yeah, he is for sure. What's that, buddy? You're getting the cell phone charger for me. It's next to my bed, behind that little dresser. And so, here's the notes, guys. Wow, this week was our highest week on Swipetrades. We netted 534 pips total profit after losses. Myself and the Swipetrades team made a goal at the beginning of October of 2000 total pips for the month. It's safe to say with one more week left, we are halfway to that goal already, which means this is shaping up to be the biggest month ever on Swipetrades since its launch in January. Crazy thing is, this is just the beginning. Now, how amazing, guys, is it that we're just getting started? We just had the biggest week, and you guys are getting ready to use this product, okay? And then at the bottom it says, trust me, when I say this team is a dominating force that cannot be competed with, so far this month we have won 27 out of 35 trades, running a 78% winning rate. Now, I want you guys to know this. That means if you took every single, thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. I love you. That means if you guys took every single trade that came out, yes, you would have lost a couple, but you would have won more than you would have lost. A total of 78%. Now, this is not gambling, okay? So I'm not going to liken it to gambling. But let's say you do go to the casino. If you could win 78% of the time, how many times would you throw dice or pull the slot machine or play blackjack, right? And again, this is not gambling, but 78% winning rate is nasty, okay? That's nasty. And so as you can see, guys, there's the results from the past week on the different pairs. You can see which ones were hot, and you can see which ones were not, okay? Now, I'm going to hit the left corner where that little arrow is in the left, and that's going to take me back to the previous trade. Now, the great thing about Swipetrades, guys, is that not only are they going to send out a trade, but they're also going to give you alerts through the process, okay? Thank you, Will. I just plugged it in. All right, where it says accept, I'm going to hit accept. Now, this was a trade that was called before before this trade came out. This is just an update at the bottom. It says trade size 0.01 lots is 1% risk per 1,000 balance in the trading account. But since this was just an update, and it will say update, okay, but it says take profit 1. That's just saying, hey, we hit take profit 1. We're at 25 pips. Look at the bottom. Target 1 hit, right? 25 plus pips. Now it's telling you what to do. Move your stop loss to break even at 113.500 for a risk-free trade and ride it to take profit 2. Now, again, I don't expect you guys to know everything I'm saying right now. I'm just showing you, and you'll learn this as we go. But at the bottom, it says make sure to have your stop loss at break even because we will be holding this trade over the weekend. wealthy pips. Now, I'm going to hit the back button again. Now it's going to say 55 plus pips on the Euro Great British Pound. Again, this is an update. This isn't a new trade, so I'm going to hit accept. Now this right here, excuse me, is basically showing the Euro Great British Pound. It's on the daily time frame. It's a trade update where it says trade type update. And at the bottom, same thing. Prices made 55 pips. Move stop loss to break even and ride it to take profit 1. You can take partial profit. The trade can be open over the weekend. All right. I don't expect you guys to know everything I'm saying. You will learn this as you go. The whole point of tonight was to get these apps downloaded, get your demo account set up, and begin to take trades, okay? Let me go back again. So this takes me back to the beginning. So when I hit accept, and then I hit the arrow, and I hit accept, and I hit the arrow, and I hit accept, and I hit the arrow. They only keep, I believe it's five trades open or 5 screens within Swipetrades open. So there's no new trades in there right now, okay? So in order to show you how to do a swipe trade, we're going to watch a quick 5-minute video by Brandon Boyd, which all of us have access to. And what that video is going to do is, okay, hold on. All right, so Chris is saying, I know you're not quite there, but please touch on if a swipe trade happens, but you can get it. If you can't get to it for a few minutes, whether it is still okay to take the trade. Say you're at work, an hour passes before you see it. Great question, Chris. Thank you so much, okay? What would happen, guys, is do you see down there at the bottom where it says signal time? Let me see if I can, I don't know if I can use this to show you. Hold on. I think I can. See where it says down here, signal time? Basically, that's usually when it came out. So if you see that it came out an hour ago and it's an actual trade, if the trade, you got to understand sometimes that the trade takes time to hit. A trade might hit in 10 minutes or it might hit in 2 hours. It just depends. What I would do is I would look at, again, I wish I could show you guys the example, but there's no open trades right now within Swipetrades, so I can't show you. What you would see is your entry point, which is where you're going to enter the trade. Maybe I can just go here real quick. One second. Oh, wow, I'm still like writing. Hold on. Get out of this thing here. Jeez, what's going on? Stop. I'm going to go to like I'm pretending to set up a trade, okay? Let's just pretend we're going to do Euro US dollar, okay? Now, when a swipe trade comes out, let me just get over here. It's going, and I'm just using this as an example. There's no numbers in here right now. It's going to tell you what the symbol is. So I'm just going to pretend we're going to use the Euro Swiss franc because that's what it says as symbol. So I'm going to go to my swipe trade and I'm going to look for the Euro Swiss franc. Okay, and I'm going to click new order. Now, it doesn't say on here, well, let me see if there's actually, just go back 1 second, guys. So I think this is as close as we're going to get right here. So I guess I'll do Euro Great British Pound because the only thing that's missing is the entry point, but I'll show you. Or maybe it's the stop loss. Okay, so Euro Great British Pound. So if I don't see it on my list, guys, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to go hit the plus sign. I go to Forex Miners. And I'm going to look for it. And I'm going to add it. Okay, I'm going to go back. And it's at the bottom. When you add one, it goes to the bottom, okay? So I'm going to click on New Order. Now, this one doesn't say whether it's a buy or a sell, but if you see right here where it says trade type, it's usually going to say buy limit, or I'm sorry, it's either going to say a buy or a sell, okay? And then down here, let me see if I can remove this. Hold on. And then down here where it says order type, it's going to say limit or market execution. So let's just pretend that right now this is a sell limit. Okay, watch this. So, whoops, I got to clear this and close it. So right here where it says market execution at the top, I'm going to click on the drop down and I'm going to click sell limit. Now it automatically sets it up for a sell. Okay, you don't have to press buy or sell because it's already set up for a sell. Okay, now, okay, sorry, somebody's texting me. Now, when it's set up for a sell limit, I'm going to go back here where it says entry price. So see where it says entry price? There's a little button on the right. See, I'm going to press it. You can't see me pressing it, but I'm pressing it. It says field copied. Now I'm going to go back, and where it says price, I'm going to copy and paste it in there and just hit paste, and it's automatically going to create my entry price. Okay? Now I'm going to go back, and I'm going to click on my stop loss. Here's stop loss. Okay? And I'm going to take that stop loss and I'm going to go ahead and copy it where the red line is. Just always remember, red is stop loss, green is take profit. Okay? Red is stop loss, green is take profit. All right? Now, I don't have a take profit. For some reason, it's not listing one on here. So I'm going to pretend that a take profit is like I can't. I'm just going to type it in, okay? So I'm just going to pretend that the take profit is 0.90275, okay? Now, when and then here's your lot size, guys. Up here where it says 0.10, that's $1, okay? I know it seems like it says 10 cents, but it's not. So 0.01 is 10 cents. 0.02 is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1. Okay? $1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $2. Okay? So you want to use proper risk management, and that's why when the trader calls out a trade, see where it says trade size? Right here. It says 0.02 lots is 1% risk per 1,000 balance. Okay? Whoops. What's going on here? Clear. Close. All right. 0.02 lots is 1% risk per 1,000 balance in trading account. So let's just go there and do that, right? So let's do a 0.02. Okay? Now, again, you want to use low lot sizes to learn how this works. And as you learn proper risk management, and depending on how much you start with in your real trade account, you just want to get familiar with how this works, okay? Now, see where it says the place button, and it's basically, oh, duh, that's right. Thank you, Curtis. I appreciate you, buddy. So we'll go 8.8. We'll go 0.88275. Thank you, Curtis. Curtis said it has to be lower. I forgot I was on a sell. Thank you, buddy. Teamwork makes the dream work. I appreciate you. All right. So if I could place the trade right now, guys, it would say place in dark black. And then you would click the button and it would hit place the trade. Okay. But if you can't hit place, that means that it's not even in the range where you could take the trade, okay? So you can't take the trade, or it's gone beyond that number as it is already. Matter of fact, no, that's not why. It looks like the entry, they put the entry point and the stop loss the same, so that's why it's not doing it. All right, so let me go ahead and change this then. So price, I would have to, let's see here. So that's your price and your take profit. I'm sorry. Let me just bump this all the way up here. There it goes. So the number, again, guys, I wish I could show you guys on an actual I wish I could show you on an actual swipe trade, okay? Yeah, thank you, Joe. I appreciate it. I just noticed that. But I'm just showing you guys for an example. See how now it's black? I'm going to hit place the trade. My order is open. And what's going to happen, guys, is the trade is going to sit there and wait until it hits my entry level. If you guys see right where the Euro GPB is, right to the left of that, there's a little, let me just do this real quick. This over here, okay, this area. That right there is either it's gonna light up in green, which means that it's getting ready to enter the trade. And when the trade is open, what it's going to do is it's actually going to light up green when you're close to your take profit line. But you'll see it turn red if it's going backwards, and it's going to hit the stop loss very soon. So you want to be very careful in watching this to make sure. Let me see, what is this here? Basically, what you want to do is you want to watch once the trade is open, how it's going to move, whether it'll take profit or stop loss. Sade says, can someone tell me how to get to a new order? I'm going to show you real quick, okay? Ready for a new order? See that plus sign at the top? It brings you to the trade pair that you're in, but you can go back to the trade pair by clicking those two arrows in the left-hand corner. And what you can do is you can click on any one of those currency pairs. You can hold it down, right? So you place your finger on Audi JPY and you hold it down. And then it pops up new order. You click new order and you put your credentials in, and then your new order is ready to go, okay? So real quick, guys, because I know we're about 20 minutes over, I really want to get through a couple more things. If I can get 13 more minutes with you guys, and we'll end at 6:30. Can you just raise your hand or say yes in the chat? Because I really want to respect your time. So say yes or raise your hand, okay? Just want to make sure, guys. Just want to make sure. All right, good stuff. Good stuff. Hopefully this is helping you guys out, okay? What I want to do real quick, and I was going to play that video for you, but I don't think I have to because I was able to walk you through a little bit of this. But what I want to do real quick before I move on to the next thing is I want to bring a young man onto the call. He's actually in my team. His name is David. What is going on here? I think my phone is tripping. He basically is new to the company. I think he's been in maybe a month, did some demo stuff. And what he then did was he deposited some real money into an account last week. And I just want to bring him on to just share with you guys what happened. So let me see here. Let's see. David, are you there?
I am. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. How you doing, buddy?
I'm doing really well. I'm doing great. How about yourself?
I'm doing good, man.
Good.
Thanks for jumping on. David, I just wanted you to share with everybody here how last week you told me there was a day that you put some money into an account.
Right.
And when you put the money in the account, just share, what your mindset was initially when you signed up, how you were skeptical and everything, like that, and how you got to feeling on Friday. Go ahead, buddy.
Sure. So, I mean, just to kind of give you guys an understanding, essentially, I was in the same position you guys were in probably about a week ago. I downloaded MetaTrader 4. I downloaded Swipetrades, right? I got into IML. I started taking the academy. I was saying to myself, I'm only going to do a demo account. I got to see how this works before I start playing with real money. I'm not trying to mess around and lose a bunch of money because I'm inexperienced, and I got to see that this can work. Well, I went on my honeymoon, and Swipetrades was sending me a notification 5 times a day, and I was just looking at it like it was a different language to me. I was like, okay, I obviously can't pay attention to this now, but it seems important because it's buzzing every hour or so, giving out information. So with all that being said, I had a demo account, and basically I had a conversation with Justin. He said, listen, man, don't be apprehensive. Just follow exactly what it's telling you to do. All you have to do is copy and paste it. And I said, well, are you being hypothetical? Do you really mean like copy and paste. He's like, literally, you are copying from one app and pasting it into another. And with the iPhone or Android, it makes it so easy to switch back and forth to apps that you can literally do it within 60 seconds and it's done. So with that being said, I was like, okay. So I took my demo account and I started to follow Swipetrades on Tuesday with my demo account. And I followed every single thing it said all day, right? So at the end of the day, I'm in the profit of like $200 on my demo account. Well, all of a sudden, my eyeballs are like dollar signs at this point, right? So I'm like, wait, hold on. That could be real money. Like essentially my thought process was, so essentially what this Swipetrades is professional seasoned traders, right? That have obviously been qualified by IML and the board above to put out these notifications. And all I have to do is copy and paste it. And I'm running with a 78% win percentage. So I was like, all right, well, tomorrow I'm going to connect it to my live account and essentially just do the same exact thing I did. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I followed it verbatim, step by step, copy and paste everything they said, still was taking my courses, still trying to learn, still plugging into the chat rooms and trying to figure, obviously see what the live traders are doing. And Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, in 3 days, I made $368.
Woo!
Profit. And then so what happened was, so I'm going on to LMFX and I'm like literally like refreshing my account and it's showing the profit of $368. I'm like, wait, this literally just paid me in 3 days for copying and pasting. So obviously I only have a small sample size of 3 days, but in 3 days to make $368 got me feeling some special type of way. Now, just to kind of give you guys an understanding of what I was doing, and this is what it has been working for me, MetaTrader 4, the app allows it, makes it so easy for you to flip over from a demo account to a live account, right? So any trades that I want to try on my own, as I'm trying to read technical analysis and I'm reading the charts and I'm trying to figure out how to make my trades, I'm doing that only on my demo account, right? Because I'm not going to trade with real money because I'm just not experienced yet. But for learning purposes, I'm doing it on my demo. Anything that Swipetrades puts out, I click over to my live account and place it into my live account because Justin was like, bro, I'm telling you, while I'm like, I just want to learn. He's like, that's great. You should learn. But I'm telling you that you can be making money while you're learning. So I put him to the test and it was obviously 100% true. So I'm looking forward to tomorrow to stare at my phone until Swipetrades put something out so I can put it right in there and hopefully, profit through the week at like 78% or above. So, I mean, that's kind of my experience and my thought process. And, obviously it's a small sample size, but I'm not too far ahead of you guys in the game, but I saw early success.
And David, would you just say this product is a no-brainer?
100%. And this is the truth. And I'm not, listen, I have no reason to fabricate or boost anything up, but Swipetrades alone, in my opinion, from what I've seen, is worth the price of admission into IML because I done made my money back in 3 days. So it is not only a no-brainer, but just Swipetrades alone, in my opinion, is well worth any type of investment into IML.
Exactly. And guys, again, and David, I appreciate you, man, and thank you so much for sharing that.
My pleasure.
And again, what he said is so true, right? It costs $235 to become, a customer with iMarkets Live if you're all in, and $185 a month, right? Well, David just made, right? He just made over $300 and something in 2 days, 3 days. And again, the only way that you guys can't win with this platform is if you don't take action, okay? If you don't take action. And so there was another guy I wanted to be on here. His name is Raj. He's also on our team. And it's funny because both David and Raj are from Jersey. Raj is in Jersey City and David is in Hoboken, which right next to New York City. And both of these guys had a huge week with Swipetrades. Raj, who, he's very successful. He makes a lot of money. So he started an account with $2,000, right? Real money. And he started swipe trading last week on Tuesday. And by Friday, his account was at $10,000. Let me show you, okay? I'm going to show you his text message that he sent to me, okay? Check this out. And the only reason why he couldn't be on here was because he's also in a band, like a salsa band or something. And last week he headed to Europe and he's on tour. So check this out. He was sending me stuff all week long. This was his, let me see here. This was his first text he sent to me, right? This was on Tuesday, right? Look at his account on Tuesday, guys. He was at a balance of $2,164.06. Okay? $2,164.06. And by Friday, here's what his text said. Look right here. I just closed off all trades, hit my goal of $10,000 from the $2,000 in like 4 days. There it is. $10,323.29. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is real money. Okay? 4 days, he made $8,000. Just solely using swipe trades. Doesn't even know how to trade yet, but he knows how to copy and paste. Okay? And I know some of you guys have been intimidated to get started. And, yeah, Curtis said legally. He made $8,000 legally, right? I mean, what do you got to do in the world to make $8,000, right? In 4 days. A lot of people do it illegally, but this is doing it legally. I mean, you could take this platform to all the drug dealers in every city and say, hey, if I could show you how to make what you make legally, would you do it? There's a recruiting technique right there. So if you guys live in a city where you guys know there's some drug dealers, go recruit them. Go recruit them, seriously. So, guys, this is legit. This is real. This is a no-brainer, okay? And so hopefully tonight you guys saw how easy it was to download a couple apps, set up a demo account, and take some trades, okay? Now, do I expect all of you guys to be an expert right now? No. But I hope this helped you move in the direction that you want to go. And that was really what this was intended to be, was to help you move in the right direction so that you guys could take a swipe trade. Now, I want you guys to take the next swipe trade that comes out, and I don't want you to be afraid. Some people are afraid that they're going to make a mistake. Well, guess what? You're supposed to. It's a demo account, and it's your first time taking it. So I want you guys to take the next one that comes out, okay? I want you guys to take the next one that comes out. And I want you guys to practice this week. I want you to take every single swipe trade that comes out, okay? I want you to be able to profit from this product because this is what you're paying for. Don't be afraid. Don't be discouraged, guys, but take action. There's thousands of people around the world that make money on this product every day, and now it's your turn, okay? And I'm so happy that you guys showed up on this call tonight, and I really hope that this helped you. If it did help you, I just want you to put a 5 in the chat. If this was good, I want you to just put a 5 in the chat, okay? Just put up a 5 because it's like a high five. If I could give you a real one, I would. And maybe if you guys come to the conference next time, which I want all you guys to be there, because these conferences change your life. They really do. And then you can give me a real high five, okay? And so Joe said, should you take every trade if you have a small account? No, I'm saying everybody on here should be starting with the demo account, and everybody should be taking every single swipe trade that comes out on a demo account. Curtis, I appreciate you, man. You just gave me like 10 5s. I love you, bro. Yeah, that's my boy right there. Yeah, we're known as Salt and Pepper. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we get down. Vision for Vegas coming soon, absolutely. So, guys, again, I hope this helped. You're welcome. Somebody's saying thank you. You're welcome. Will I do this again? Yeah, I probably will. And if you guys really like the training, then, you know, when I come out with when I record this, it's already recorded, but when I add it to YouTube and I post it, you know, share it within your team, share it within your group, you know, and share it with your people, right? If you got people that are on your team, share this, guys, because the only way that we can truly grow as a company and as an organization is by people making money with the products and the services. That's what it's all about. And I hate to see, you know, when people quit because they never got started, right? I'm telling you, man, that's like the most discouraging thing in the world for me to see someone quit and they never got started. They paid the 235. They've even paid 185 a couple times. And, you know, unfortunately, they just quit, right? And so it stinks to see people quit. But guys, there's no reason to quit. Every single one of you guys started in iMarkets Live and you joined this company. Thank you for all the happy birthday wishes, too. I appreciate that. Hey, Marjorie, I see you. That's my girl from Peru. But every one of you guys joined this company for a reason, and I want you guys to remember the reason why you joined this company, because you have to have a big enough why to keep going. Is it frustrating sometimes? Yes. Is there going to be ups and downs? Yes. Are you going to take some losses? Yes. Well, guess what, guys? That's with anything in life. But I can encourage you and tell you this, that if your why is big enough of why you join this company and you're willing to do whatever it takes to win, you will. And nothing or no one can stop you, okay? Nothing or no one can stop you. The only one that can stop you is you. And the only way that you can fail is if you never take action. I'm seeing too many people in my team alone who are making money. You just heard from David. I just shared Raj's testimony with you. If I could have my team on here just to share the results. I mean, my team is winning. That's why we're called Team Take Profits, right? Because we take profits. That's what we do. But remember why you're in this, guys. You're in this because of something. Keep that something in front of you and never quit.